If you need to create an A3 size document in Photoshop for posters, flyers, artwork, or other large designs, setting up the correct canvas size from the beginning will help ensure your project has the right dimensions. Before opening an image or existing document, launch Photoshop and click New File from the home screen. On the right side of the New Document window, you'll find the document settings. Start by giving your project a name, such as A3, so it's easy to identify later. Next, change the width to 29.5 centimeters and the height to 42 centimeters. If the units are currently set to pixels, simply change them to centimeters from the drop-down menu. After that, set the resolution according to your needs. If you're creating a design for digital use or screen viewing, 144 pixels per centimeter is a good choice, as shown in this tutorial. However, if you plan to print your design, you'll typically want to use a higher resolution for the best print quality. Once you've finished adjusting the settings, make sure the resolution units are set to pixels per centimeter, then click Create to open your new A3 document. That's it. Your Photoshop canvas is now set to A3 size and ready for you to start designing. Thanks for following this tutorial, and be sure to check out more Photoshop tips and tricks to improve your editing and design workflow.